Ladies and gentlemen, before introducing the speaker, there are a lot of happenings which is happening in Middle East. The ODOC campaign is going very successful and still it is running. You can contribute for $1 one child still. The 100% redemption offer is going very well. People are claiming and enjoying the discount. With that, all these successful people are coming to your home every week to greet you, to meet you. Ladies and gentlemen, as Mr. Sebastian said, today we are here with a fantastic individual. I'm very, very happy and honored to get a chance to introduce this particular speaker, who is a very close brother to all our DXN Middle East management and members. Brothers and sisters, this person, he is a fantastic, successful entrepreneur now. Once upon a time, he found it very difficult to talk in front of people. And today, he is traveling across the globe to train DXN leaders and members as a speaker. Once upon a time, he was struggling in his life to taste success. And today, he is celebrated as the most successful Bangladeshi leader across the globe. Ladies and gentlemen, with his hard work and commitment, a person who has attained the status of Executive Crown Diamond, a person who is celebrated as one of the most successful leaders of DXN Globe, a person who is owning his second home in a different country, in Malaysia today, with DXN system. Ladies and gentlemen, as you have seen in the beginning, the introduction speaks itself. With all your permission, let me take the privilege, let me take the honor to welcome the most successful leader among the Bangladeshi community, the Executive Crown Diamond, Mr. Harun Rashid. Good morning, Harun bhai.
Good morning.
Good morning. Excellent DXN please.
Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, Subah al Khair, and I'm very happy to be here today. It's a great honor for me, and I really welcome all the viewers who is giving me chance, and all my members, business partners, and DXN Middle East. And thank you so much.
Harun bhai, the pleasure is all ours. The pleasure is all DXN Middle East families to have you, to have such a wonderful leader. Harun bhai, to be very frank, any company, any direct selling company would love to get a member like you. And DXN is so proud to have a leader like you with us in the Middle East. Mr. Sebastian, can you do the honor? Go for the first question?
Yes, Mr. Harun. We are really blessed to have you over here in the Middle East family. You know, irrespective of your status, we can proudly say that you are the one among the most successful Bangla leader, not only Bangla, successful person among DXN family. So, actually, your journey to this success was not that much easy, as we know personally. But most of our success, our viewers, they want to know about this particular question. That's why we include this question. From a person in depth to a successful entrepreneur, can you describe us about your journey in brief?
Thank you so much. And first of all, I feel today I am in DXN Dubai office, not in Malaysia and in webinar, because I see only both of you, and so many history we have. Anyway, it's a great opportunity for me to share my journey with all the DXN people around the globe. And I'm very happy to share, because when you talk about the success, you cannot avoid the challenges. And from the beginning, when my life was full of challenges. I was born in Bangladesh, and I'm proud for that. I'm a Bangladeshi. And when I finished my secondary school examination, my father was a banker. He passed away, Allah yarhamu. And after that, I am the eldest son in my family, and we are 8 siblings, 5 brothers and 3 sisters. And I am the eldest. So it was a very tough time for us, and I live in village. So very challenging time for us, for me. Then I started journey to study. Then after that, I was along with that to helping the family. I tried to do business. But I lost because I did garments business, I did poultry farm business, I take courier service business, and lots of business I did, around 10 plus business I done. Everywhere I failed. After that, I started, after finishing my education, I started the medicine business as a rural medical practitioner. And it was very good, and so many business I did, accumulated around 200,000, around 20 lakh. 20 lakh explaining around in UAE, you can say in that time it was around 100,000 dirham. Equivalent money I lost. Actually, it is not in one business. It is accumulated, and it's come to like this situation. And that time I was very good position also because I was general secretary of medical association, and I made lots of activities and hospitals, everything. But I do, it was a general worker for everybody activities. But personally I lost money for the business. So what I have to do, 2004, I quit from the country. It is a very hard decision for me because I learned two things. One is when the challenge is coming, to take strategic, proper decision. It is very important for anybody's life, even any organization, even any country, I believe. So in that time, I was earning in Bangladesh around 50,000 taka, around you can say 3,000 dirham in that time. But the problem is my 20 lakh taka. So what I have to do, I decided to quit from the country because I am in debt. But I learned from my family because the honesty and also for the like in our Islamic point of view it is a haq, but the other people's right because I need to pay the debt. It is so I was more stressed. I have to do because my age in that time around 31. So what I have to do, I decided this is the time I need to quit because what I do, I can do it later on in Bangladesh, but my age is going on, so I need to take this step. I have one deposit in the bank and also I have one motorcycle. I sold it. Instantly, I take a visa and I go back to Saudi Arabia. I choose Saudi Arabia. You see, one side, because my siblings and also I married that time, I have 3 children, and my business also there. I didn't quit from the business. Business is there. But so this 20 lakh taka in my head, in my shoulder, and I need to take decision, and I quit from the country without telling anybody, even my wife, my mothers, nobody knows. When I was very visionary because when I do business, I was not strict in one business because I was always dream builder and visionary. So I went to Saudi Arabia, but when I went to Saudi Arabia, one of my friends, right now he is in Germany, and I took 43 kilo goods because I know something going to happen in my life, but I'm not worried. When I went to Saudi Arabia, one of my uncle, he helped me. Because I go there in the month and I didn't do any job in my life because I know job is not my solution. So I started looking opportunity, and after I make my Ikama, the work permit. Actually, I didn't do job; it is a freelancer visa. And I went to Makkah and I started. I finished my perform Umrah and I told to Allah, please, I want to help, I want to free from the debt. Please help me. You are the only one and this is the right place. Please help me. And give me honor and help me to opportunity to help the humanity. These 3 things I discussed. I just pray in Holy Kaaba. And I believe that one, Allah accepted every word. And I joined DXN 2005, 27th July, nobody invited me. I'm looking opportunity. Before DXN, I started my journey in Saudi Arabia, except Abu. Everywhere I've been there in Saudi Arabia. So after that, I was thinking when I joined DXN, like I going to the office, I see the people are going coming in the mom. Then I joined DXN. I been there, and our branch manager, Mr. Matthew, and I asked him, what is this? He told, you can, I cannot explain with you because you go inside. There is a Mr. Jijit, our regional manager, international marketing director right now, Mr. N.K. Jijit, he given marketing plan. I understood one thing, because I need dollars, I need money, there is a money, I understood this one. And now I need sponsors. I took get one sponsor there, one lady, but she put me his 12th generation, I want man, I don't like. Because I didn't understand about the direction industry and I don't have experience. Then my journey started from that time. And from that day I joined DXN and DXN Dammam. Since that day, I think I am the only one person in the world taken full-time basis in a foreign country, abroad life. But to take a abroad life full-time, it is not easy job. It is decision. Then again I have to take decision what I have to do. Then my one friend, he arranged a job for me in one health insurance company, but 3,000 real that time I told I did not do job. Then my all relatives, friends, they angry with me. I told, please give me time. That money I income already in Bangladesh. I don't want to give me time. Then I started journey. I was so excited to when I joined DXN because there is some decision I take and I excited. Why? Because Mr. Matthew, when I went to the office, I see he print out so many Ganoderma benefit, Spirulina benefit. I see the bundles of the papers. Then I told him, please, what is can I take this one? When I see I was in the health base and I was a leader in one different organization in Bangladesh, in my area. So leading I know. Then I was thinking, I like something like that freedom because, and I'm looking 1 year I'm traveling everywhere. Then my uncle, he provided my food, my accommodation, wherever I go, everything. Because, so that's why I grateful to him. He decided, he given me shelter and the opportunity. That's why I became a taking full-time basis. And after that, I don't have knowledge, direction industry. What I did, I believe anybody want to take decision to this business. I decided I use my common sense. In Saudi Arabia, nobody can make like this office without permission of legal authority. Because this is what I understood in Saudi Arabia around 1 year. And this is a health-based company. This product made for Malaysia is come from Malaysia to Saudi Arabia with all the requirements. So it is legal. Like strict country in Saudi Arabia, nobody can do. So this decision I took for myself. Then I started, I'm so excited for this business and I started, I couldn't take any member. I couldn't make any member. It is very hard. And also I don't have link with the people because I didn't do job. I am not, and also I don't know language. Because I don't know the language because it is not my country. This is the abroad life. So I started to thinking, how can I do that? Then I communicated my community and I planned this way, how I can connect with Bangladeshi people, I make them understand, and Mr. Matthew show me every branch we have projector, and then I can start it, I can explain, because the product, and I started in second day, I started to journey for the speech. Then I bring 1-2 people, I started talking to them, and through them, I know I use my mind, because this is the international level market, multinationality is here, so I cannot talk with them, but those people are belongs with them working together, so I can transfer my business to local Arab people, I can start the business with the Indians, Pakistans, all the people, and this working, it is work, and very ordinary people I started, those like my first generation is Abdul Qadir, Abdul Hashim, and like these people, and they are very ordinary person, and they started, and through them we connect with Arab people. And Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim Abdullah from Sudan, and he's a teacher in Aramco College. He started, he joined in our business. Then Arab community started to grow because everybody understands in his own language. to explain. So I really, in that time, we don't know like today, whatever we have, our knowledge, and we are learning because I really grateful to Dr. Nim because he created a very strong system. I don't know that time system. Now after slowly, I started to understand. I started to understand the product, the effectiveness of the product, the strength of the product and system. Then I started to learning from the different leaders and management. And I really grateful for all the DXN management. Anywhere I started journey, then I go to Mr. 2017, 2005 September. Mr. Ghani came to Jeddah office. From Dammam to Jeddah, I want to attend this program. That time I make one member, Mr. Bilal Hussain, and then Delaware, all these people started to come here. So the challenge, because I took the challenge because of the strength of the product, I realized after that, and when I see the system, I analyze it, I asking some leaders, Mr. Ghani, then I submit to the system myself. When I submit to the system myself, then I started to growing. And that time our great leader, Mr. Shams Patan from Bangladesh and also Ifar Babu in our community, we was together, and also Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim Abdullah in Saudi Arabia, from also Mr. Tangal, all the Mr. Revon, even is my offline BP. We create a momentum in Saudi Arabia. After that, we started to take challenges, we take a journey for the road trip, different strategies we did. And then I became because all the people in Saudi Arabia, it is like a growing and it is like a flow, started to the flow in all Saudi Arabia. The challenge we take, I really grateful to my members in Delaware, because Shah Jahan and also Umar Farooq, Abdul Qadir, Abdul Hashim, as I mentioned, because I started through them. And I take the challenge for the Makkah no branch that time. There is no branch in Medina. There is no branch in Taif. And we started from there, our journey. So it was very hard. Then Saudi Arabia, 2011, I have joined 2005. Then 2011, in between, I create a momentum with the help of all the leaders in Saudi Arabia. The Jeddah 2008 sale was around 1 million plus, and it was the highest sale in the world. And Dr. Lim came to 2008, and the vibration was Saudi Arabia because all the management people or the leaders, we was work as a team, and it was a fantastic journey started, and everybody's bonuses increased, and change started life. And when people see their success, and other people started to come into the system. Then we did, because the critical challenge, we promote 300 PV. So lots of people against that because they cannot do 100 PV and how the 300 PV. But I believe one thing, as a leader, when I submit the system, I believe this system, and I see whatever they mention, end of the month, bonus is coming, status is coming. Then as a leader, what I think, I started to whatever company decided. I believe the company decided it is improve ourselves, and we improving, and we really grateful to all the DXN staff. We learn from them lots of things. Their sacrifice, their dedication. Also, I see some they are just until 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock at night. We work also sometimes. So the things is coming to start at that time in Saudi Arabia. It is every closing day, it was counter is very busy. We are waiting when bonus will come, because it is like a student when they give an exam, good exam, they only waiting when result will come. So we was like this situation, and every leaders we was united, and of course as a family members we have sometimes is not in same opinion and same activities, same decision, but we was the family members. We are not in the same. We as the family, even management, we create the momentum, and that momentum when we started in 2011, no product. Product means there was some challenges we faced. The flow was coming, lots of Arab people coming in the business. Suddenly, product was not there. Then And in between, the Saudi government given the amnesty. So lots of our people go back to home. In Africa, in India, in Philippines, in Bangladesh. So we lost lots of people in that time. Then now, after that, I started to journey to Middle East, Dubai. Dubai, it was very hard time. My mission all the time, I try to support as I commitment to Allah in the Holy Kaaba. Then I try to help people. Then 14 hours, 17 hours, and even last time in 35 hours. As all of you know, my life was in Dubai, in UAE, only 96 hours. This 96 hours, I started even 2-3 program. Last program in Sharjah, and I because 5 o'clock all flight finished for the Saudi Arabia. Then I used to stay in the what do you call this one, for the airport hotel. Then morning I have to go, I have to fly. So the momentum we created, and I really happy because I see lots of people success, lots of people are growing, and in their lifestyle change, their family change, and they really lead a good life, and that's why I feel so happy for that. And the things we feel that one, the lots of people are getting benefit from the product, and lots of testimony was there, and we started to traveling in different countries, because then I was in Saudi Arabia, and 2006 January, I visited to Malaysia because they encouraged me to go to Malaysia to visit factory. When I see the factory, I meet Dr. Lim first, and that time 2006 our first TSAP was there. So I was in the TSAP. In all Middle East, Saudi Arabia people, they cannot go outside because of their visa problem. We was in the Kingdom Tower in Four Seasons Hotel. But after that, I went to Kerala, Professor Bashu Palaya's program for the creation, and all Middle East except Saudi Arabia was TSAP there. Then I started to understand the international flavor about DXL, how it is going on around the world. I feel because really this is so excited, and introduce the different leaders in different countries, and even we don't know anything about direct selling, then I started learning from different people, different leaders. So then what I learned, I try to duplicate in the team. And at that time, we don't have eWorld, we don't have CSS, we don't have, I remember still, I think 2009, I was in Dubai, and I requested Dubai, please can I see how many people in my organization. They told each page 50 cents. To print out, and we don't know actually. So even we make one branch we make point, other branch we don't know. Now everything is coming in a good manner, and I think it can help lots of people to great. And this what I am going to share with all of you. This is actually the journey. It is like a like now lots of people talk about the post office. Maybe young generation told there was a post office. So the things we are going to share today, it is like this situation. I'm really grateful when we meet with Mr. Hassan Al-Qatari to get knowledge, and also Sultan, who was different countries, traveled together. I really am grateful to Mr. Banu Bhatta Damala, and also Abi Joseph, Mr. Abi Joseph, and Mr. Ahmed Al-Masadi, Jamal Masadi, and Ahmed Al-Razbi, and all these people in Middle East, we create a momentum, and we hard work, and we try to bring new people in the system, and it is really very good momentum, and the flow comes to now in the Middle East and around the world. I believe the trust. You can say 2001, I think the exchange started in Middle East. Before that, people doesn't know about Ganoderma, people doesn't know about what is Starazen, Ruby, Diamond, Crown Ambassador, and they use the product, and they can travel around the world, even they go back home, even they no more in the world, families getting benefits. This is all the history already, it is true. Now, we are in the mission now with Dr. Lim. I believe I really grateful to all the leaders around the world. I travel around 45 countries and I see India. India is different. Almost state I visited through the DXN system. I visited Philippines. I visited in Europe, and all the leaders. We get knowledge from them, and we are successful, and we are sharing, exchange our knowledge, and lots of success stories now, and different varieties leaders in different community, different language. I think everything is very good manner, good way. Now, if anybody want to be successful, only they need to follow and follow the system, submit the system. So I believe if anybody submit him in the system, then he can enjoy the system. So I slowly I finish my all day. Alhamdulillah, I'm very successful now, and I'm very successful for this point of view because I love to see people success, and I feel I change lots of people's life through the system. I'm the only one Bangladeshi from the beginning. Abroad life, I became successful, and I don't know DXN in Bangladesh. After that, I see now the momentum started in future. Bangladesh will be one of the most, now we are talking Peru or some other countries. Inshallah, one day, people will be around the world, Bangladesh will be one name, and everybody will be proud for that. And I believe that because I am a visionary, and from the beginning, with the challenges, I take the challenge from the beginning, and I successful, and I know what is going to happen after 5-10 years. It is very clear in front of me. After that, my journey, I'm travel, my income around, I can proud to say today I also see 162 countries I have reached. I'm very proud to say that one. And that time I was only the mom. And I don't know, and 162 countries means 162 nationality in my organization. And there is lots of around, I can say, Alhamdulillah, there is 800 plus people are successful in my organization. They are diamond, and I have 2 Crown Ambassadors in my team. And I see their success, and I feel very proud. And my team and all the successful people, their struggle, all of us together with management help with Dr. Lim, this strong product and strong system. So I really proud for that. Ordinary people how can be extraordinary. I see lots of people in our system. So anybody can be successful. Last time I came to last anniversary, 25th anniversary, I met Dr. Lim. Because I traveled with him so many places, so many countries, and I learned from him lots of things, and it is influence. So always I try to meet with him, try to get energy. Last time when I talked to him, he told Harun, because I was planning for the Crown Ambassador. So he told Harun, I want to see you in Malaysia. Then I told with him, sir, I have lots of challenges, and this one. He told, Dr. Lim with you, why you are thinking all these things? Then I get very energetic because I was thinking instead of going to Crown Ambassador, because I think another achievement in my life. Because around 9 million members in that time, in DXN, and he approached me. So it is something I feel very, very good. Then I started to move on that one. He given me advice, and he introduced some with our Dr. Lim's PA, his Madam President organized a lawyer, and I go there and they given this one. Then I talk. Doctor was last 2018 October in Middle East. That time, Mr. Jujit, Mr. Selim, Mr. Matthews, all these people are supported us and supported me from the heart. I really grateful to them. Then airport we see to decide, and some financial issues was there, and everything solved. I really grateful to DXN. Now things I feel stick system, and I submitted myself the day I joined DXN. From that day I didn't take this. I always traveling in different countries. You see this country, that airport, this airport, or talking to the people day and night. But now I am in Malaysia. I am a blessed person. Before 2 days of lockdown, I came to Malaysia. And before that, I bring my family here, and the things I did, I applied. I always see when the number given to the ministry in Malaysia, when it will be approved around 5, 6, 7 months. One day I see, I bring instantly. So I feel before pandemic, 29th December, I bring my family and I take them admission in Islamic University School. And after that, I go back to join in our Dubai International Leadership Camp. And after that I came back, Alhamdulillah. Now, whatever I hard work last 15 years, now I am in the home with the family, with safe, and I try to support, to organize to support my business from my home to around the world. So, thank you very much. Actually, the question is coming because so a man was zero, come from Bangladesh to a desert country, but with full of hope, full of dream, and started to journey with DXN. So I believe all in DXN is a solution provider. It is not selling product. This is a solution provider. Even we don't know the knowledge about system, but system teaching us. So I know whatever the background people have, they can be successful in this business. And all background people in the DXN system, there is a doctor, there is a professor, there is an engineer, there is a general worker, there is a carpenter, there is a painter, all kinds of people is here, and it is a really business school. And the real business school, I believe, it is not this knowledge, how you can upgrade your life, the practically. So we have all the ingredients to become successful in life, and like product, like business system, and everything is ready. Only it is a ready-made, how to utilize. And you can be successful, only you have to take challenge, and to courage to take decisions. So in that day, I take this decision, and this decision changed my life. So decision making is very, very important. To take with vision, nothing. We just started zero, only membership. Then that membership, now it was give me, because if anybody tell me now, can you sell your membership number? I believe I will not sell my membership number even $1 billion US. Because I know from this membership, my family, my generation to generation was already safe. I build asset. I build a system. I build an organization. And this organization will give revenue generation to generation. It is an asset. So all of us, whatever we are doing, we are building an asset by doing the asset. And I have seen lots of people are no more in the system. They already passed away. Allah yarhamu, lots of our leaders around the world, and their family is surviving through the exam. And it is actually no more trial. It is already proven. I believe it is already proven, and only need those people are visionaries. Instantly, they will not be successful. They have to take decision according to the technology now, because anywhere in the world now, anywhere, any room, anything, any place, any country, we can do business, because DXN 180 countries, already 5,000 plus offices. It is for me. All office, my office. All staff ready to help us. Anywhere in the world now in office time, if you call, they told, good morning DXN, how can I help you? So this is the beauty of DXN. Our message not for any specific nation, not for any specific religion. This is for all human beings around the world. So you can plan how you want to upgrade your life, and how you can upgrade other people's life by using DXN system product. You just understand, nowadays lots of companies, those people are doing business. They have stress for the rent, employee salary. Even lots of people going to job today, they don't know they will continue tomorrow or not. But we are enjoying our system. I think this month our business is growing around 20%. I see the system. I think so. Even lots of people are hopeless. They don't have a job. They are maybe losing their business, their job. But DXN people, we are enjoying our system because we hard work, we offering opportunity, and we helping people to understand. But only need to understand, my dear all friends and the members, leaders around the world. I believe this one, DXN is a profession, is a career. If you see anybody is a doctor, how many years required? Engineer, how many years required? If anybody want to be a professional football player, cricket player, how many years journey? But when you do DXN, if you understand, if you believe, because it is already proven, opportunity in the whole world, technology in the whole world, now globalization, technology, you can do anywhere in the world, only you need link, you can connect, and you can learn and you can teach, you can face challenge and you grow, you can get progress. Because challenge will be there, but everybody want to take challenge as a job, because sometimes you want to quit your job because of your boss, but you will not quit. But you quit only DXN because it is a real thing. And I am really happy and I grateful to Allah because Allah give me from the beginning in the right company. It is most important thing. It is only blessings people come to the system and they stick with the system. The time we joined DXN, we don't know lots of things. Now those people are joined DXN. Like I joined when I started using mobile phone, it is a Nokia normal phone. Now my son, when they use the mobile phone, they introduce with the Android phone. So the member, those people are joined with DXN, you get the lots of benefited. One world, one market, you can see which country you want to watch Facebook Live, which leadership speech you want to see, which training you want to know, which language you want to know, everything is there. Everything is there. So, if you see that 20 years before, 15 years before, those people are started this business. Really, it was very hard and people doesn't know their thing. Everybody talking about the success. So, when you want to be successful, you want to be a player. Because you see audience in the stadium, there is a lots of audience. They are only making noises. Player is focused only how to make goal. So all of us, as a leader, we have very strong management team around the world, very dynamic. I am really grateful to them. DXN, all management team around the world, they are really ready to help. And very strong product. This is the time for us. Whole world now talking about the immunity. Our 27 years DXN is doing same thing. The industry, lots of industry is facing problem, but DXN or direct industry is growing. Wellness industry. The next revolution is wellness industry. Because there is a lots of 2-3 industry revolution was there. Agriculture revolution, then industrial revolution, IT revolution. Next revolution is health revolution. And I am really proud we are wellness health based. And our product is very strong and Dr. Lim, because lots of international organizations recognized it. And now the IMSAM, I am very proud because my money goes to contribute for the humanity. And all of us, we need to support Dr. Lim because he is a mission, with mission. And we are part of him because for the humanity. So all of us, I think around the world, all the leaders, DXN are helping and our management. Very soon, I believe DXN will be #1 in the world company. Direction company. One day, maybe we wake up and we see DXN is #1. This is not only that, we are satisfied because the money we earn, it is a blessings money. By supporting people, by helping people around the world. We are not seated to the people. And that's why the ethical things, I believe it can help because we are helping. We are upgrading people's life in the honest way. But if any leaders is talking unethical, illegal, this is his problem. But no need to talk anything, claim. DXN is enough. Make it simple. Simplicity we can do. I believe DXN, what the leaders are doing, management is doing, Dr. Lim is doing, we are doing fantastic and we will be soon very good in the world, #1 company. And I'm really grateful to all the consumers, all the leaders, once again for the DXN management. Because everybody as a team, we are working and we are proud, we are enjoying our time, really.
Thank you so much, Harun Bhai. It's a wonderful experience, it's a true story, we know that, and it's a real testimony, zero to hero,
Great. Thank you so much, Mr. Harun, for that elaborated answer. Though it take a bit long, we know that it was not short enough to answer because you're talking about the past 20 years of experience and it may definitely take time. And thanks a lot for the detailed answer. And as you said, the important thing is to take a decision. And this is where many people lack and they themselves are complaining that I'm not successful, but it goes out to all the members who are watching us. Taking a decision is the most important thing, and having a vision with that decision will make your life also successful. With that note, Harun Bhai, let us go to the next question. The next question goes like this. There are few direct selling companies getting launched in Middle East with same combination as of DXN. We are sure that many might have approached you as well. What makes you stick with DXN?
Thank you very much. Actually, I would like to share with you because when you joined, I joined DXN 2005. This one, from that day, from that time, I think that day I got another invitation also. After that, I got lots of, when I grow, lots of companies coming to me. Because in Saudi Arabia, we face with lots of companies. I believe DXN don't have any competitors in Middle East and other countries also, because I respect direct selling industry. We are promoting same industry. But I believe right now we face some challenges in different countries, but I believe in the Middle East, we have followers. Where we go, other company want to go there. We create that leader, they want to sing our leader. Actually, this is not in the good because I believe in, still I remember, I was in Jeddah. We have started our building our business in Jeddah. That time, when we grow, same lead, we was in the 9th floor and DXN, another company was 15th floor. So when they see that DXN membership back, they want to take them. So they offer GMC card and lots of promises. In that, and also in so many companies come to me and they told me this lots of promises. But I tell you one thing. DXN, if those people are not vision and they fail in DXN and sometimes they are very successful, they want to not stick because they are not visionaries. At the same time, there is a lots of promises. And that's why they cannot control themselves. And they go to other company and they destroy themselves and they destroy other people also same time. Because I have seen in my organization, there is a lot, so many leaders, they go back to other company, they are crying to come back again the DXN system, and we try to management again to return back, but it is not possible. So I would like to request, because DXN is a very strong company, a strong product, a strong system, and DXN created lots of successful people. It is, as I told you, it is not fair. And if anybody want to go after that also in any company, I feel it is like a detoxification in our system. Because we need money, of course, but we need blessings money, we need the good way, and I just want to give some reference here. Those people now in successful and they are more in the world and their family is surviving through the DXN system. Maybe it can happen to our member who is going to join other company, if he not successful, he may be double diamond, triple diamond, or maybe some good team. And all these people want to take the active people in the business, and these active people, they will understand, they will realize after 1 year, maybe after 6 months, maybe after 2 years, but they'll lose everything. So, as I told, decision making, because please be a visionary, and we need money, and we need a satisfied life. Not to be billionaire, not to be like millionaire, but at least if you have sustainable income in your life. If you get something, if you know more in the work, even you know more in the work, but you are getting 6,000 reals, 10,000 reals, possible. It is sustainability in your life, and it can help you. And I believe there is a lots of challenges in the world now. It is market open for everybody. Nobody can stop you, cannot do that. But again, need to see the company, need to see the product, and need to see where you want to go, because anywhere you go, you need to work. Anywhere you need to build a team. Nobody will say, nobody will build for you. You have to build everything. You have to do everything. So that's why I tell, this is a very big challenge, because in that time, I believe all the leaders should be communicate more with the team to make them understand, because one day they will understand, they'll lose this, they'll lose that also. And it is harmful for them, harmful for the company, and for the family, and for their future, for their career. So I think all of us need to stick on it and to communicate more with the people. And I believe this one, all of you, because when I started Saudi Arabia that time, I always that time like this internet facility, even we don't know I don't know the technology more. Only calling. Like this time, the crisis time is coming, maybe 1 hour, 2 hours. Also like this talk, I talk with the leaders, and my mobile bill was around 6,000, 5,000 riyal when I was in Saudi Arabia, and there is an e point. I got lots of time, around I think 7-8 times for the 1,500 reals for the Nikati points. So how much money I have to invest? And when I entered the Saudi Arabia, that time it was like a VIP. They mentioned VIP member, the customer. So I would like to tell now, no need that one, because you have lots of opportunity to Zoom, WhatsApp, email. Please, I need to communicate to pass the information to the leaders, but still somebody will go because lots of promises, because their mind is blocked. One day they will suffer, but it is not in our hand. But we need to try our best to protect them.
Thank you so much for that brilliant answer, Mr. Harun. Over to you, Mr. Sebastian.
Yes, thank you so much. Anyway, it's really precise answers from you. It shows your experience. That's why you are successful. Now we pass on to next segment. It is more into personal things, It's rapid fire. We are expecting very brief answers from you. And here we go to the first question. What is happiness for you?
Actually, my happiness to help, and when I see people success, any success, I love to see them, and I am very happy. In the honest way.
You are doing it right now.
That's a great answer. When you are saying that, we definitely know that you are a person who is going to any extent to help others. As you said in the beginning, like 96 hours in UAE was just to help other people. We know it very well. Thank you so much for that brilliant answer. Moving on to the next question, Mr. Harun, what is the best advice that you have ever received in your life?
Actually, I received and I practiced it one because the honesty, and I practice, and simplicity. And I get this one with DXN. And I get the chance to practice. And I'm always talking, and lots of our members, maybe sometimes they feel sometimes I strict. Actually, I'm not strict. I love all my members and DXN members, DXN leaders. But some cases I'm very hard only for this purpose, this purpose. But I really now stick and stick to this system, the integrity, honesty. It is not I want to show. Actually, I practice that one. It is, and also I simplicity, because I follow. In the action business, everybody can be successful if they follow simple ways, simple life, simple food, simple talk. It is very simple. Simplicity I like.
Thank you, Mr. Harun. Here we go to next question. The happiest day in your DXN life?
The happiest in my DXN life, actually there is a lots of happy life, happiest moment, happiest journey. So one of the happiest things when as I mentioned, when doctor again and again I try to create the challenges. Doctor told, yes, I'm here. When I finish, I make another question. He told, I am here. Again, then I feel, oh, this is the happiest life. And related another one is when I see the second home approved. So this happiness is the happiest moment in my life.
So you're living the happiest moments. You're going through the happiest moments now. With your second
actually, if you allow me, I want to share actually another 2 points also.
Please.
You know, in Saudi Arabia, when I was living, that time I don't have bank account, and we cannot create because some issues. Instead of bank account, when I get visa in Italian embassy, because actually 2005 I joined, 2007 I qualified for TSIP, 850,000 points, 8,50,000. Very short time. That time I am double them. So when I got I qualified for Europe Costa Serenity, then because I couldn't believe, I didn't see because they told your visa is, actually it was request from my side. Then they will visa or not, I don't know, because they give me passport, they told you go and lock the door. Then I cannot request also. Then I see, I didn't see anything. Then the security told me, you got visa, you are lucky. That is one of the happiest moment also for me. Another happiest moment for me in Sharjah airport, 96 hours visa. The Air Arabia get penalty from UAE government, I think. Lots of people come and they didn't go. So 1 month, no visa for that honorable visa. Only one visa was there, that is my visa. I'm really happy to share this one. 35 hours, because I always face challenges and I take challenges. I love to take challenges. 35 hours I am waiting in Sharjah airport, and they supported me with some, because all the airport, sometimes it was like they want to help me, but sometimes they cannot, because some officer, they are our member, and they tried, and after that the visa officer came, the immigration person, and he approved one visa and he again locked and he go. When I see the visa, so I believe the all challenges I take, but I success, but not passion. I was very passionate. It is not easy, this one. Then this is actually, when I see the visa, then everybody waiting for me. That's all of you. I believe this one. This is really, all the challenges I believe. I am really happy, and I face lots of countries challenges in the visa as a Bangladeshi. I got every visa actually, except Switzerland. All countries. I easily can convince the people. When I talk with them, I think I know them. And everybody, even, I don't know, they given me visa. Alhamdulillah, when I get interview, I get visa.
It's amazing. So Harun, this takes us, our memories also long back of waiting you here to announce the programs and all. Very nice memories. So Harun, going on to the next question. Your most favorite DXN product?
My most favorite DXN product actually, I take always, because Spirulina or mushroom powder. And I use, before I used to drink light coffee, now I'm blessed because I'm in Malaysia. There's lots of product because I used lots of product. I'm very happy because I always traveling. I'm not so many times we didn't take food in the proper place also traveling, but I need more energy and I can talk lot, even 10, 12 hours everywhere, every time because the product. I used to take lots of Codicious
Thank you so
now
much.
lots.
Thank you so much, Mr. Harun. You know, you have achieved many things, many of your dreams in your life through DXN. But right now we want to know a big secret dream in your life that yet to achieve.
My secret dream actually, I would like to make DXN Bangladesh number one in the world because all the ingredients we have. But there is a challenge. And because of part of that, we want to make DXN number one, we work for that. And at 180 million population in Bangladesh, and that is symptom. We are in abroad, lots of Bangladeshi, and I believe this system, this product will help my country. But challenge is there. Maybe after 5 years, 10 years, it is a big name will be in the DXN world. And we need it because we have health problems, we have jobs, and all the way DXN is the solution, inshallah. And it will be.
Inshallah.
Inshallah. Mr. Harun, here we go. The next question. Who is your mentor?
Actually, I can say a specific no mentor I don't have. Honestly, I'm talking with you, but I follow all DXN leaders. All leaders, I listen them. I want to learn from them and Dr. Lim. Robert Kiyosaki, I follow him, his speech, his book, and also another one is Napoleon Hill, his book, and especially and all the DXN leaders, I listen again and again and again from them. Because there I am doing DXN and everything is here. So all the background people in this business and they are successful and we are listening to them. And they are our mentor and Dr. Lim is very famous. And he visionary leader and he's successful, we can duplicate him for everything. And his mission is our mission also.
Absolutely. Yes.
Thank you. So we go to the next question. In our Ahlan DXN Middle East, Mr. Laszlo mentioned that he used to speak to new people, at least 10 people in a day. So like that, do you speak about DXN in a day, particularly approximately how many people?
You mean overall or only new people?
New people.
Oh, okay.
Actually,
Actually,
people, those who don't know anything about
because
DXN.
we talk. I think we are very busy more than before now. Because luckily I am in now Middle East, all of you, and my business is there. I am in Malaysia, so I try to talk all the time with our existing members. But I try to talk. Honestly, I am not talking more than 5 now, but I try to maintain my existing team to communicating, but same time I try to upgrade myself because now the time I have to upgrade myself for the technology, language, and to go next step. So I am busy for that now, and in between any new my line, if any weak line, I try to upgrade them, activate them. So I try to talk with them. But new approach also is there, and I doing around 3 to 5 people per day.
Great. Mr. Harun, we know the answer of next question, but to hear it from you, what are your core strengths?
Actually, the things is, as I told, I have courage to take challenge with confidence. And I know I am trying to do good things. Challenge will be there, but I will be successful.
Thank you so much. Who was your first DXN member?
My first DXN member, he no working, he expired.
Expired means membership expired.
His membership, means his membership expired, and I tried to so many times as a first member, more love, but I couldn't. So after that he where I don't know, because he was from
Who was
Bangladesh.
that person?
His name is Islamuddin, and he was working, and I get him through my sponsors, Madam Victoria Fee magazine. She introduced with him, and I make him member, but I couldn't make him active.
Okay, Mr. Harun, that was the set of questions that we have prepared. But before winding up the session, we are receiving a lot of questions, lot of feedbacks, and lot of thank you messages, happy messages, which we are receiving in our Facebook, in Zoom, and all. So we would like to pick one or two. The main question that one of our member has asked. It goes like this. Good morning, great leader, Mr. Harun. What is your message for newly members who is looking as a DXN as their career? We want to add one more thing, because we have heard it from you many times about this. What is your message for the next generation, people who are going to be with DXN?
Actually, as I told, whatever problem we faced, we create a way and confidence to grow any one of new members to create his career. And I believe this one, the career, anybody want to take, they can take as a career profession. Because as I mentioned, doctor, engineer, player, whatever it is, they can take, but they have to be strict with to learn about the company, the product, and then the system. I believe lots of members, new members, if they think this point of view, like you have a two car, one is latest model Mercedes-Benz and one is BMW. It is for you, but only condition, you have to drive and you can take it. So if they cannot able to drive this car and they cannot take it. So DXN is the opportunity. Example, if anybody want to be, he have academic qualification, he have experience, he have skill, he have wisdom, but he don't have opportunity to implement all this quality to improve his life. But DXN is the place, if anybody want to take this opportunity, if they want to realize this opportunity, they can take within 1 or 2 years to build a lifelong generation to generation career. Why I say generation to generation career? It is already proven, if anybody is a doctor, he cannot transfer his doctor profession to his family. If anybody is any profession, but in DXN, whatever status, career we build, when we go back to anywhere in the world, any country, only we need to transfer the membership. Even we know more in the world, our families enjoy all these things, all the facilities. So you can take as a career and opportunity to realize product ready all around the world, office ready all around the world, system ready all around the world. Everything is ready. Only you need to take decisions. Only that. And promote all the program, whatever program is there anywhere in the world. And the next generation, I would like to tell about technology. We are not good in technology. The era of technology in 21st century, if you are not adopt, you will fail. No compromise for that. So we need to be adopted technology and technology with DXN or globalization with DXN, because DXN is everywhere, every continent. And in future going to all country, new country opening. So you have opportunity. When you connect with internet, you are connecting in whole world, even you are in the village. You are in the room. So DXN offering the opportunity, and this opportunity you need to realize, you need to learn, and you need to utilize, and you need to offer other people. Whole world with you. And DXN producing and providing the fantastic product everybody needs every day, anywhere in the world. So the main ingredients is human being, and product is there. They need this product. If they need this product, even one product you are strict, you will be millionaire. Even one product, I believe.
Yes, Mr. Harun, thank you so much. And here, Mr. Adam Abdullah is asking a question from Sudan, I think. Maybe it's Mr. Abdullah Ibrahim Abdullah itself. We have mentioned during this show. And you have an active group in Sudan. And what is your advice to them to overcome the difficulties they are facing right now?
Actually, I already really grateful to Sudan, because around 29,000 members in my organization in Sudan. I'm very sad for their present situation. Actually, DXN also trying their best, Dr. Lim try their best. And now the present situation, I believe one thing. Because Sudan, from the beginning, it was challenging. And lots of challenge was there. And Sudan leadership, and they support each other. They are really hard work, and they try. The present situation, something is not with DXN. Actually, the government or the country, the challenges is there. I believe it will be overcome soon. I believe that one. And same time, when we are in Sudan, there is internet. I think Sudan people now try to already, I see they're trying to overcome and the support because of the dollar crisis is there, even not only Sudan, other African countries. And same times, I believe now, all the leaders, all Sudanese people, if you see the some doctors, pharmacists, accountant, teachers, they are in Gulf countries. So those people are already in Sudan. They can introduce their business in other countries. And also they can introduce this business in other different part of the world, because DXN is always with them. If they develop their team in different countries, at least they can maintain their bonus. But of course, it is not easy, very, very hard. But some things don't do anything, because for the government or the dollar or the Sudan history, Mr. Abdullah already knows. Dr. Lim give lots of subsidiary, try their best, his best also. And still, we pray for them. Inshallah, things will be overcome good. And same times, those are for like Sudan, like Bangladesh, like Nepal, like different countries. They are talking. They cannot do business because of the product. But those countries having all product, they cannot do business. Product is there. Like Malaysia, all product is there, but they cannot do. Sometimes some other countries they are complaining, but just all other countries understand about our Sudan members now, how they're suffering. How so many leaders taking full-time basis, how their family is going. So I think all of us, those are in other countries, we are blessed with the product, we need to realize, and sometimes and to understand, to support other countries, those like Sudan, they cannot develop business in other country. All the leaders should support them. If they have any prospect, if they have any just to support to grow, so their bonus, they can maintain bonus. It is like a real family. I think we need to do that point of view everywhere.
Thank you so much, Mr. Harun, for those honest and wise answers, we must say. Actually, we were expecting those fantastic answers also from you, because we know how wisely you think, how intelligently you act, and that's what made you successful. Ladies and gentlemen, that was Mr. Harun or Rashid, the executive crown diamond, the most successful Bangladeshi leader, one of the most successful leaders across the globe with DXN Ahlan Middle East on the 27th episode. Mr. Harun, we were honored to have you on the show. And last as a winding note, would you like to add something with it?
Yeah, I would like to say because of all the audience, all the members, those are in the now in the show or in future, those will see. I want to give one message to them. My personal analysis: if anybody earn 3,000 US dollars, he can live anywhere in the world, even USA. So the 3,000 US dollar, it is not big amount in DXN, but starting only maybe $2, $3. So what we need to do, we should be a visionary because we are not doing job, we are doing business. The small, we are not doing like for 1 year, 2 year, 3 years business. We are doing lifelong, generation to generation business. So my request to understand your DXN membership, your business or your CR number, and how to get product free first 3 months. Because first 3 months is surviving stage. When people join, they don't have knowledge and try to teach them, all the leaders, what they have to do. The product, company, system. So they build confidence. Then when you get product free, try to teach your 10 people how to get product free. In spending around, it will come around, let's say 300 dirham, plus minus, right? If you teach 10 people to do that, so your bonus will be 1,000 plus. Example. Then if you teach around 10 people who achieve $1,000 real, example, dirham, then it will be gradually it can be 5,000, 6,000 reals, and you can, so gradually when you do duplication and multiplication, teach and grow, and I believe all these people will be successful. From the beginning, all of us, we need to make a vision. It is not a miracle. It is also profession. It is also business, like any other business, like any other profession. But only need to understand the DXN is like the real destination. Like you have car, you never been some destination, but road indicate you reach their destination. You follow that one. So that your destination to become successful. Maybe you from different part of the world, especially in the Gulf countries. We come from different part of the world in this region to become successful in life. We invested our around 15 years, 20 years, the most precious time with your family. I request all of you, those are in abroad, take a decision with DXN because you anywhere you go, you only transfer your membership number. So it is a gift from Allah because if you realize that. Because a blind man cannot show the way to other people. My first generation, Abdul Qadir, Abdul Hashim, they are very ordinary person. They shifted Bangladesh and they're getting around 100 to 200,000 taka. It is around 10,000, 8,000 real. So it is a pension. Whatever you do, you need to love your job, love your company because this situation. Follow the rules and regulation in your country, which country you are. But along with that, keep something, a system with you. Whenever you go, system will be there. DXN is almost every country. And make a backup plan. Even you know more in the world. You are hardworking now, your family is surviving. If you know more, what is going to happen? DXN system is proven. My request, this one, you have to follow. Another thing, my small advice and my opinion, I feel this way. This as a human being, this is not our responsibility to take food, enjoy ourselves. We need to do some responsibility to the society, the country, the human being. So try to invite more people will bring in the system. Because of this system, they will understand, they will learn through the system. Maybe you cannot teach them, but system they will learn. After that, they will be very successful because DXN is a successful system. DXN is anybody can do. Even he's a professional, even he's educated, even he's whatever it is, he can. So the more number of people will successful, and more reaction will be good and more contribution for the society. Because now this crisis time, no money. You don't know before, after the action, I try to communicate in different parts, different sector. People are suffering lots. They cut down lots of things. Even they make more stress and stress lead them for the stroke also, because the family needs. We need to do through the action. You have money, billions of dollars, but you cannot give like this. You give advice. You need to give the opportunity. So be proud to offer the opportunity. Don't be shy. We are not doing any unethical things. We are not seated to the people. We are offering opportunity, and if they want to utilize, everything is ready all around the world. Our all leaders is ready to help, different nationality, different language. Our all system is there, all stuff is there, everything is ready. What you want to do, it is up to you. You take decision. But by doing the action every day, you are building your asset. This asset, any asset, it takes time to build. So don't be hurry. Within 1 month, 2 months, to earn everything. It is not a gambling. Be patient, build asset, and be visionaries, and take a courage decision. And every day is very important. But every day is not memorable. Every day, when you join the action, this is your birthday with opportunity. Realize it, utilize it. Everything. Thank you so much.
Great. That was Mr. Harun. Thank you so much for those wonderful words, the wonderful message that you are giving to all the members across the globe who are watching us and who will watch us in the future, the recorded version. And yes, 300 PV is a must that you have to ensure it to make yourself a better income person. With that note, we would like to wind up the show. And for all the attendees out there, thanks a lot for watching us, and for all the messages that we are seeing, your messages, for sharing your happiness to see Mr. Harun, and we also are equally excited and happy to see Mr. Harun here. Mr. Harun, thank you so much for your presence. Yeah.
Thank you, all of you, and really you invited me. I'm very happy, and it's my great honor for me. And same times I try to actually 15 years journey. We cannot talk instantly. There is lots of history, lots of journey, lots of challenges. But inshallah, in next time in any other place, maybe we'll see. We can talk. And thanks all the viewers with patience listening to me. If anything mistake, of course I know all of you can forgive, and because our intention to give some ideas and also the feelings, because what we achieve. So thank you so much to listening me.
Thanks a lot. Ahlan DX Middle East will be back on next Thursday, 24th of September, with an Arabic guest. UAE time 10 p.m. and Saudi time 9 p.m. Till then, it's a goodbye from us. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.